Hi guys, it's me Guthrie from Guthrie, and today I'm going to be trying egg and spoon. I've already taken off the wrapper, but then I whipped out my tablet and I wanted to share it with you guys. So, open it. Oh, let's get the spoons out. So the spoons are like purple spoons.
This is like the best meal ever. I have to admit I'm actually not in love with that, but it looks cooked to how I like it. Set through gritted teeth. Definitely got to carry on the roast.
So let's put those in like that. And get one out. So it looks like that. So let's unwrap it. So it's out of its foil and it looks like this. So let's crack it open. I've put it like that. So let's crack it open with our spoon. To proper crack it really hard. I'm gonna crack it like this. So it made a hole in it. Yay! There's a piece. I'm gonna eat this piece. Oh. That's perfect. It looks like that. Let's try the white stuff inside.
Lemon curd was scrumptious. It wasn't too bitter, like Gary was going on and on and on about, oh, this is bitter. It's lemon. Lemon generally is bitter. And the lemon isn't the only sour taste in Gary's mouth. I think the person who's the most competitive in here tonight has listened around this gorgeous table. Is tonight's host.
Let's mix it together. See if it turns brown.
One who would like to be on top. But that's you then. Yeah, right. You like to do. Yeah, right.
It doesn't turn brown.
Can you help me, please? I think the two guys are fighting for alpha male. Yes. They think it's definitely between them.
So earlier when we went to Wilco's, that's the one. Wilco's. We went in there and they were £4.50. We went in Poundland and they were £1, obviously. So, what's the better offer? Poundland or Wilco's? Poundland. They weren't in the 99p store for some reason. But yeah, that's a better offer, so we got 4 packets. And when we went to the pet store near Morrison's, there was this Chinese boy. He bought a snail and a stick insect. Oh, we bought a snail, not a stick insect, just a snail, an African one, an African snail. We bought one, and he was following us the whole way to the pet store. We went to Morrison's, and he was following us again, and then we just ran. We ran to River Island, and he wasn't following us anymore. So yeah, that was an adventure. Now we've got all this stuff outside of it. So let's try the chocolate. Cadburys. I've had it before. Obviously not the egg thing. I've had the Cadbury chocolate before. Let's try this a little bit.
Naturally, it's in the States. Food Unwrapped tonight at 8. Next today, find out what dancing is.
So that's it for today. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What?
That's another day, really.
The question of the day is, what video should I do next? So yeah, what video should I do next? You can either write in the description if I can, in the comments, if I should do what one should I do? This one or this one? So this one, so left or right? Right is, so this hand is right.
Do you two just want chips for you? Why are you eating now, Blake?
Yeah. Right hand is get.
Can we have chips with gravy?
Order.
Please.
Order some clothes for Emily and unbox them. And left hand is unbox some
Zuzu pet.
what?
A Zuzu pet.
No, 'cause I don't have any more of those. Unbox a doll, because I have one of those in a box and I haven't opened it. So yeah. The question today is right or left? Right is buy some clothes for Emily and unbox it, and left is unbox a dolly. So yeah. Bye.